Please start. What's your name?
My name is Gassan.
How old are you, Mr. Hassan?
63 years.
Okay.
I am from Jordan.
What problem did you have?
I have problem in my shoulder here
Yes.
from 1 year ago,
Yes.
and it's very difficult for me.
Yeah, very painful.
Yeah.
Very painful. So you came to my
I
clinic.
came to Dr. Khan.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah, he makes surgery to me, and I am now.
So you did your surgery for rotator cuff. It's now 1 week.
Yes.
We did an MRI, it showed a rotator cuff tear.
Yes.
And we did a subacromial decompression.
Alhamdulillah.
And I did a rotator cuff repair for you. It's now 1 week.
Yes.
Today we moved the sutures for you.
Yes.
So now I want you to move your shoulder and show everyone how much movement you have. So I want you to go front way, go all the way up. Okay, perfect. Try and keep your elbow as much straight as possible. That's perfect. Down here, down again. Now sideways I want you to go and go all the way up as much as you can. Show us how much movement you got. After that's fantastic. Down here please, and then I want you to go up behind your back. Yes. And now can you turn around? Drop your hand again please. Drop your hand and now show me on your back. No, the other way. Yeah, down there, and how far you can go. Perfect. Excellent. That's fantastic. Thank you very much. You can turn around. मज़ीद मालूमात के लिए आप मेरी वेबसाइट विजिट कर सकते हैं, जो कि स्क्रीन पे लिखी हुई भी आ रही है, या अगर आप कंसल्टेशन करना चाहें तो क्लिनिक पे आप टेलीफोन करके अपॉइंटमेंट ले लें, हम आपको मज़ीद मालूमात वहाँ पे भी, और इसके हवाले से अगर कोई सवाल जवाब आपने करने हैं तो आप उसके लिए भी हमसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं।